To stop Snapchat from suggesting people? Well, unfortunately, while Snapchat does not have a single master switch to permanently disable the friend recommendation feature, you can completely stop the application from pushing those suggestions to you and prevent your profile from being suggested to others. Well, you can turn off friend suggestion notifications by opening up Snapchat. So then tap on the profile icon here towards the top left of your screen. Now once here, you want to tap on the gear icon and you want to scroll down below and you want to find the notifications option. So I have disabled Snapchat notifications in all, but if you have it enabled, scroll down and you'll find friend suggestion option. You want to toggle that off. So you can see friend suggestion, friends from contact, friend suggestions, pending friends. You can toggle that off. Mine is already off because notification is off. Now you can also disable quick add to stop appearing to others. So head back to settings, and once you head into settings, you want to head into privacy controls section. Under privacy controls, you should be able to see here the option see me and find friends. So if you disable this, then you won't be shown in quick add, and that way you won't be getting any notifications for a request and such as well. So hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.